back again with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create or design a flyer. So we open our web browser, which is Chrome. Okay, after opening the web browser, we search for postermywall.com. After searching for this site, we click on the second link over here. Click on this second link. From there, you go ahead to this. Okay, from there you can search for anything that you want to design. You click on the search button over here. Then let's search for, you can see they are even telling us try sale flyer, so let's just search for that one. Okay, you can see there are events, small businesses, party, church, restaurant, concert, dance, lots of things. So you can choose any one there and design. But if you want none of them, you go and search for any other thing. Okay, Christmas card. Let me search for Christmas card. You can see lots of things here. And here, this represent all. This one represent image, and the last one represent video. So you can see this one is a video, but this one is an image. Okay, this one is a video. If you don't want them to be mixed, you come here and click on the second one to get only images. Okay, so you can see there are images alone here. So you select any of the flyers and design. So just click on this and then click on customize template. You wait for it to load. Okay, after it finished loading, this button over here allows you to type your text. This one allows you to increase the size of the flyer, and this one is what undo. Okay, so you click on this. For this to appear, you can change the color of the background, you can change the text over here, everything, lots of things over here. So in this case, you can see, wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So there is no need to edit anything, because me like this, I'm okay with this one. So you can see something written here. You can see something written over there. This place, look at it very critically. Look at it very critically. There is something over there, but I will have to remove that thing. But in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to remove the watermark. It is called a watermark. If it is there and you send it to your client, the client will automatically, you are automatically showing the client or telling him to also come to Customer Hall, design the same thing. So you have to remove it. Nobody will know what you used in designing this. So after that, you click on these three dots top there. Then you click on download. You can see basic download, free, print quality image $2.99, a poster quality image $7.99. So anyone you want. But for the free version, if you download, it will have the watermark. But for the one they are selling, if you download or if you buy the file, there won't be any watermark. After that, it has finished downloading. You can also save it. And before you can save, you need to log in. So I'll use my Google account to log in. So I'll use any of the Google accounts and log in. Okay, I'm done. So everything is set. So please let me check something. Okay, it has finished downloading already, so I don't need to download. So I just close this, go back, and then design something different. So thank you very much for watching this.